Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to your English grammar class. Yesterday, we started a new topic, noun. Let us continue with the same topic today. Some nouns remain the same in its singular and plural form. For example, sheep, deer, offspring, aircraft, salmon, software. Some nouns exist only in the plural form. For example, series. We cannot say series, it is series. Species. It is not a species, it is a species. Oats. You cannot say oat, it is oats. In compound nouns, the plural ending is added to the main noun. For example, Attorney General will be changed into plural as Attorneys General. Daughter-in-law will be changed as daughters-in-law. Some words which have been borrowed from Latin or French change their forms in the following manners. There are some nouns which are uncountable. We cannot count them. For example, water, milk, butter, iron, excitement, research, traffic, wisdom, etc. These words cannot be changed into their plural form. You cannot say waters, milks, butters, etc. Uncountable nouns do not change their form into a plural number. Noun gender. There are four genders in noun. Masculine gender, men, boys, and male animals are of masculine gender. For example, king, man, lion, etc. Feminine gender, women, girls, and female animals are of the feminine gender. For example, queen, woman, lioness, etc. Common gender is nouns that can stand for males or females are of the common gender. For example, baby, student, friend, etc. Neuter gender refers to lifeless objects or in the neuter gender. For example, book, chair, table, etc. Noun case. The case of a noun can be classified into 5 kinds: nominative, objective, possessive, vocative, and dative. Let us learn about them. Nominative is when a noun or a pronoun is used as the subject of the verb. For example, Rajat bought a bike. Here, Rajat is in the nominative or subjective case. Objective. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the direct object of the verb, it is said to be in the objective or accusative case. For example, we bought some oranges. Here, oranges are in the objective case. Possessive. When a noun or a pronoun shows ownership or possession, it is said to be in the possessive or genitive case. For example, this is Meera's desk. That means the desk belongs to Meera. Vocative. When the noun is the name of the person being spoken to or addressed, it is said to be in the vocative case. For example, Praveen, come here. Here, Praveen is being called, so Praveen is in the vocative case. Dative. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the indirect object of the verb, it is said to be in the dative case. For example, the postman bought a letter for him. Here, him is the indirect object. Him is in the dative case.